Hey guys, today I'm going to be going over how to actually get your first music video editing client, whether you're a beginner music video editor, whether you're a professional, and maybe you just want to get more clients, more leads, more money in your pocket overall. Well, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how I used to get my first clients when I started off as a videographer shooting just in high school. And I actually turned that into a 5K per month business that I was running while in college. And it's super easy. The craziest part is that it's honestly more free game than ever nowadays with AI and ChatGPT. And in this video, I'm going to be giving away a free guided outreach method template that you can download in the description. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it. So first up, you start off right here, right? You're a beginner music video editor. You have 0 clients. And the biggest thing I think is hardest for most people to get over is the fact that nobody cares that you want gigs. Like nobody cares the fact that you want to shoot music videos or post cool artists on your Instagram. Nobody cares. And I think the biggest mindset reframe that helps is realizing that you have to think about how I can help the artist. Now, this might sound obvious, but you have to really focus on presenting your pitch and focus on helping others first. Like these artists ultimately want more content so that they can get more streams, so they can get more growth, more attention, which ultimately leads to more ticket sales, which means more money in their pockets. So you have to be thinking like, how can I put more money into these artists' pockets? Sounds like a kind of weird mindset, but it really helps when it comes to crafting your offer. And now people often get confused, like where the actual do I find artists in the first place, right? So I like to start off with 2 methods. Number 1, started off doing festival outreach. Now, for example, you can go to festival lineups. You can go ahead and literally just do outreach by searching up every single artist on the lineup and sending an email to them or their manager team or their label or whatever. Now, the reason why I like to do lineups is because usually it proves that they have some sort of traction, proves that they have a label or some sort of management to get them on that lineup in the first place. And also most likely means that they've been co-signed or around these other people in the scene. Now, you can do this for whatever industry. I picked the Rolling Loud one because I started off with like hip hop. I like to usually look for artists that have at least 10K followers, 100K listeners per month on Spotify, a label, a manager, and at least 1 viral song. Now, the second method to doing this outreach is the Instagram tagging rabbit hole. Now, this is basically like where you go down a rabbit hole of just who is tagged on whose post. Now, you can go on Instagram and you can go to that tab where it says like, you can see people who tag that person. And I just love to start with a really big artist like Travis Scott, for example, and then we'll go to his Instagram and just see who tags Travis Scott and who actually around him, and then see who those people are being followed by, or see who Travis Scott follows and then reach out to those people. And then that way it's a really good way to start putting yourself in like that group and literally network your way to the top, because networking is literally documented in the 21st century. It's all on Instagram. It's all on socials. It's literally like a crime if you're not using it to do your outreach. So I like to go ahead and when it comes to actually finding emails and contacts, I really want to dive into this really quick because these are actually hella slept on. Like first off, go to the Instagram bio. Sometimes artists put their emails, their managers, they tag their managers or management inside their Instagram bio. But you can also literally go to YouTube. This is one of my favorite ones. And you go to the more section and you can go to the about and you can see their email address literally from YouTube. Now you can only do this about like 10 times, I think, per day, but you can just log into another account. I'm not going to show this because if I show the email, my YouTube video will get taken down because you're not allowed to show YouTube emails on YouTube. But you look at this. For example, you can find Tekka's management email literally through his YouTube channel, and then you can do outreach to Galactic. So Galactic is his management label. And that it's like so fucking slept on. I'm telling you, YouTube pages and also Facebook pages are where I find most of my emails. Now, once you get all these contacts, you have to email them, you have to DM them. I usually like to do both. So if you find an email of a certain person, then try to look up their Instagram, or vice versa. If you find an email, then try to look up their or if you find an Instagram, try to look up their email, because some people just respond better to email. Some respond better to DMs. Now, this is the part where it might throw some people off. Some people might walk away from this. I like to offer free first gigs. Now, this is particularly helpful, especially if you're trying to build the relationship, because people, you want to make them feel dumb for saying no to your offer. Like, it has to be so unbelievably helpful. Like, holy shit, I'm getting a free music video, which will save us $3,000 from our current videographer. And we have this new song that we're dropping. Like, this could be really helpful. Like, you want to make it dummy easy for them to be like, yeah, let's do it. Like, I will shoot photos or I will shoot social clips. And my favorite thing to offer is a 24-hour turnaround. Now, you might be thinking like, how are you turning around edits this fast? We're going to get into that in just a bit, but I do want to quickly show you like an example of just some of the emails that I've sent. This is one of my infamous emails that actually ended up getting me on tour with Lil Baby later down the line. And I reached out to Brandon, who used to be Lotto's manager, and he was managing this new artist, Gloss Up. And then I was like, hey, I saw that Gloss Up's on the Rolling Loud lineup. I'd love to shoot for her. I've shot for a number of artists, and I'd only shot for Complex Con at the time. And I was like, I could do like free work, and let me know. And he ended up replying back to me, which led to me shooting for Gloss Up set at Rolling Loud. And then this is me with my chopped haircut. And basically, I did this gig entirely for free, shot a free music video. And then that eventually led to me going on tour with Gloss Up when she opened for Lil Baby in the IOU tour. So that was actually really cool. And the tour was paid, by the way. So I ended up getting paid, and I was that gig was about like $1,200 per week. So roughly around like $5,000 per month, straight from just one free email. Literally insane, the fact that I sent this email and it led to me going on tour. But keep in mind, this was one of 300 emails I sent. So I went down the entire lineup. This was not the LA lineup that I did. This is a different one, but I like imagine it was about the same amount of people on this list. Imagine emailing all these people and then you get about 3 or 4 responses. And this is the one that actually ended up going through. So you have to do violent output. And I think that's the part where a lot of people are just going to turn off because it's like, I don't want to do this outreach. It's work. And it is work. Like, unfortunately, it's going to take a lot of time, and it's really only for people like who truly, truly want it. I can't give that to you. And frankly, I wish I could make my like offer seem so like, oh my goodness, I'm giving you the ultimate easy one-way route to getting clients. But unfortunately, it's hard. And that's why a lot of people can't do it and won't do it, because it's going to require you to put in some effort. But the cool thing is that a lot of people won't do it. So you are already 80% ahead of the competition just by trying. So I think it's a crime not to try, at least in today's world. And I'm going to explain in just a bit how you can use Codex to automatically send emails for you, which is like free game. So you can go ahead and mention the artist, say what you're going to do and show some portfolio work if you have a portfolio link. And if they reply, then that's good. But if not, I recommend doing 2 follow-ups. And if not, then just move on, lost lead. Oh, let me connect this to here. And once you get that conversation going and you land your first free offer, you can now go ahead and go hard on that shoot. So I would say, put in your best work, put in your best effort, and try to at least deliver within 24 to 48 hours. But this is really possible, especially nowadays with AI. So we have this AI plugin called AutoEdit for Premiere Pro, and it basically automatically edits music videos. I'll show you some examples of what the music videos look like on screen right now. And it's really, really helpful. It automatically syncs your clips. It cuts to the beat. It removes shaky B-roll from the beginnings and ends of your clips. It applies instant visual effects and transitions, and it'll build the entire rough cut of your music video cut to the beat of the song, giving you a full music video rough cut in 3 minutes, which is really, really helpful, especially if you're doing fast output gigs where you just need to get out of a final video. And obviously, because this is a free gig, not to say don't put in your best effort, but try to do it fast, at least, be a steward of your time. Use AI to edit. I'm telling you, it is literally free game nowadays. So we've linked down to the AI plugin below. We have multiple versions of AutoEdit. By the way, AutoEdit's like a suite, but we have one that automatically does specifically music videos. And it is a paid one, But the way I see it is like, if you literally charge the bare minimum of a $200 shoot, you instantly pay off AutoEdit and it becomes worth way more, and you keep the plugin forever. There's no subscription. So this is like super helpful. One thing I do want to note on is you can use Codex to actually do your outreach for you. So for those of you who don't know, Codex is basically like this app by ChatGPT where you can prompt it to do tasks, and you can actually type prompts to make it do certain things. So we actually included a free prompt in this exact template where you can give to Codex, and it will basically do the email outreach for you, and it'll automatically schedule and send these emails, making it super easy. So you literally just copy the prompt, you fill in stuff like my target niche, like whether it's EDM artists, rap artists, hip hop artists, etc. And then you go ahead and put that in Codex, and it'll automatically start doing the outreach for you. And then once you get all your outreach, you just have to follow up. Like this part is just standard. Just follow up, send an email or a DM maybe a month later, a couple weeks later, like, hey, if you're still looking for some music videos, let me know. If you're still in the area, would be happy to work again. I'm telling you, if you do good work and you're just a kind person and you actually are not a jerk or asshole, people will usually have inclined to return goodwill. Once again, combine this with violent outreach. Don't stop doing outreach. I like to aim for at least 100 emails per month. That is really, really easy. That's like 3 emails per day. But you should really be going for a lot more than that. Just like that, once you get your system going, you have that outreach method. Good news is you'll only have to do this method for about 1 to 2 months if you do it right. And if you actually care and put in effort and actually try hard and not just like lazy ass it, you will get paying clients in your first month. Guaranteed. It's not hard. It's not complex. It's not overly sophisticated. Like I'm telling you, I'm showing you the exact email right here, which led to me going on tour with Baby. And it is not that complex. It is just requires a lot of effort. You just have to try. That is it. That's the only barrier to entry. And that's something I can't give you. That's something that ultimately you have to decide, like, how badly do you want this? Do you actually want to win? Do you actually want to be the best? And if your answer is yes to that, then I definitely recommend downloading the free template down below in the description. Like I said, I give away all this stuff completely for free. So if you want to download it, it's linked below in the description. Hopefully this helps. Let me know what you guys think. If this ends up working for you, please update us in the comments. Would love to see the results or no results. No results are also good so that we can give you some encouragement. Keep going. Nonetheless, want to record this video to help out some other videographers out there, especially if you're trying to shoot music videos and it's your first time. Hope this helps. Talk soon. Now, if you want to learn how to edit your content for Instagram Reels or TikTok 10 times faster, you can check out this